If I were you is used when you want to give polite advice. You suggest something without sounding bossy. Give a gentle warning. You tell someone what you think they should not do. Share your opinion in a soft, friendly way. It makes your opinion feel respectful. A. Positive form. If I were you, I would, plus base verb. Meaning, you think this action is a good idea. Short form, I would equals I'd. For example, if I were you, I'd talk to him. If I were you, I would take a break. If I were you, I'd try again. B. Negative form. If I were you, I would not plus base verb. Or, if I were you, I wouldn't plus base verb. Meaning, you think this action is not a good idea. If I were you, I wouldn't say anything. If I were you, I wouldn't trust her. If I were you, I wouldn't go there. Now it's your turn. Correct the mistakes. 1. If I was you, I will call him. Perfect. If I were you, I would call him. 2. If I were you, I will not worry. Awesome. If I were you, I wouldn't worry. 3. If I was you, I wouldn't go. Very good. If I were you, I wouldn't go. If I were you, I wouldn't miss this video because I explained the present simple tense in a simple but complete way.